Peer is the future of sustainable power. We have been working with the Perfect Power Institute, which is a program that was founded by the Galvin Foundation.
Bob Galvin was the second CEO of Motorola Incorporated. His father, Paul Galvin, founded the company. He was a superb leader, defined by taking people elsewhere, to take your team someplace they never would have gone unless you, the leader, was there.
He created an environment in which minority opinions were welcome. He didn't care if the best idea was coming from the shop floor or from the corporate suite.
But his greatest joy in life was encouraging people to innovate.
His philosophy was, let's not just try to create a new product innovation, but let's try to create and transform a whole industry. The parallel between what he accomplished in transforming the landline telephony to cellular and smartphone is what he envisioned that he could do in the electricity industry, which was to transform the electricity industry from largely bulk grid technology to more localized microgrid technology.
Bob Galvin really saw the future of what was going to help us make energy and electricity generation more sustainable over time.
Bob Galvin saw a major gap in the market, that power was not being evaluated in the same way that we evaluate other assets. And so he founded the Perfect Power Institute.
So Perfect Power was defined to say, why don't we invent a production, distribution, transport system for electricity that literally never fails? So if we're going to do something, let's seek perfection, and then out of it will come new ideas.
And so we went about the process of trying to replicate the types of standards that USGBC used to launch its LEAD program.
The relationship between Perfect Power Institute and USGBC started when John Kelly came to us and basically said, we want to do for the energy industry what LEED has done for the buildings industry. We want to be the transformation instrument.
The LEED rating system addresses energy, water, waste, landscape design, human health within the built environment. Pure looks to address those same issues just outside the built environment.
It gives a roadmap towards power generation, transmission, and distribution systems that are much more environmentally sensitive, much more economically profitable, and resilient.
We were so blessed when we introduced this concept to USGBC that they got it immediately, that this could plug and play in their global infrastructure of education and certification.
Peer and LEED are solutions that are interconnecting the power industry with the buildings industry to decrease the footprint of both industries simultaneously.
Ultimately, you ended up with a whole set of metrics, process management kind of tools to be able to actually teach people and expand it, and that's what this initiative is really all about.
We're really excited to be able to welcome a Galvin Award into USGBC's celebration of leadership and to be able to recognize those leaders that are really helping us see the future of electricity generation. It's extremely important for us to be able to show examples of what can be done by folks that are able to see opportunities where others may see challenges.
We just hope that this alliance between Peer and the United States Green Building Council can make the world a better place to live than how my father left it. And if we can all work towards his aspirational vision, there'd be one fellow upstairs that would be smiling.